Okay, this is SAS Viya 2, which happens to be demo 2.1. So off the basic course notes, we're just going to demo this, which was actually will be demoed in Thursday's class. So I already have the demo 2.1 open, so we're going to go up here to the applications menu and explore and visualize our data, which again, I'm already here. So we are going to check the settings, which is up here, and make sure everything is general down here. So everything is set to default. So no title, automatic, no title. So now that all is set, we can close that out. And here we want to view the data that the report contains. So we go over here and click data. So this is all of the category groups and measures that are contained in here. So the numeric variables appear as measures. So it's all of these down here. So we want to actually import a list table. So we're going to go over here and click objects. And to do this, we're just going to drag the list table onto our canvas. So then the list table is here, but now we have to assign the data, which we go over here, and if it's not already clicked, you click data roles. For the columns, we are going to add everything except frequency and frequency percent. So we can just click on the first one here, and then a nice little shift key button and all the way down so it selects everything, and then we can just deselect frequency and frequency percent. So now this is populated with all of the data that we have chosen to include. So we can just scroll through and see kind of what's included here. It is quite a lot of data here. So we're going to add a page. And now we're actually going to create a crosstab for order type. So the way we do this is objects right next to list table. We're going to drag the crosstab over there, again to our canvas, and again we have to assign the data. So we go over here and we, again, if it's not already selected, you select data roles, and for the rows we're going to add order type, which is down here. So click order type, click OK. So now we have the order type and the frequency, the number of orders. So an order type is also the method which contains when the order is placed, catalog, internet, or retail, as you can see here. So from here, we are going to create an automatic chart to view the quantity ordered by customer. So we're going to have to shrink this, and we're going to go to data, and we're going to select customer ID and quantity ordered. With both of those selected, we're going to drag it to the right, and down here we get a nice little map of the automatic chart, and we get the color by customer ID and quantity ordered. So this really helps us visualize the data. Really neat tools here. So for this next step, we are going to again go to data, and we're going to hit the data source menu, which is kind of up here next to the data name, and we're going to view the measure details. So this screen is really cool, and it'll show you a bunch of descriptive statistics for each measure. So right here you can see it shows you the minimum, the maximum, the average, and the sum. Down here it gives you even more information about the standard deviation, error, variance. So again, really helpful information, and really with just a click. So right now it's cost. So you can see the maximum cost is about $1,600. Again, with cost selected, we can see all of this additional information, and the number of rows is also very helpful in describing the data. So the histogram displays the distribution of the cost values, which is a pretty high distribution. So we're just going to hit close, and we will do more with this report later, so therefore we want to save this. So to do that, you just go up here to the three little dots, and you can save this report. We can just do save as demo 2.1 and click save. Now it is saved, and we can come back to it whenever we want to. This was my demonstration of SAS Viya demo 2.1, and the next one will go further into the practice problems. Thank you for watching.